Today I'm going to stir fry round cabbage with minced chicken meat, some onions, big onions, carrots, ginger, dried chili and garlic. That's all. I'm going to stir fry the cabbage first in the kuali without adding anything else. I do this to get rid of the moisture, so that when I fry it properly with the meat, it will be more aromatic. And here the sound is drying up the moisture. The heat is drying up the moisture. You stir fry it until you can see the leaves are translucent. It changes its color. It's different. It's not raw looking color, translucent. And you can see the water. You see the water in the wok? The water comes out from the cabbage. And then it will shrink. It wouldn't be so much. Just now it was full, the wok was full of cabbage. As it gets cooked, the moisture comes out. It will shrink to 50% only of the amount. This takes about 10 minutes or so. Then you dish it out. See, it has reduced in the amount. The water has come out. Now I dish it out. You can take back the water, because afterwards you need the water. Let the kuali dry. Now we're going to fry this. Okay. Now is the next step. We fry the onions first. Also, I put in the carrots. Now only I put in the oil. Okay, put a bit of oil. I dish it out now. Ginger and dried chili. Now we put the oil. Okay, I put it aside. I'm going to put the minced meat in now. Press the minced meat down. Turn it over. Now only I add a little bit of garlic. Now I'm going to break the minced meat up so that into small pieces. With a spoon. Turn it over. Now I put back this, the onion and the carrot. Now I put in the vegetables. All the vegetables. Now I add salt. About 1 teaspoon because there's such a lot of vegetable. First, 1 teaspoon first. Let it simmer a bit. Now there's this hoon. I saw the packet. It's called hoon. It's Cantonese is called fan si or tong fan, they call it fan si. I cut it and I soak it. Afterwards I put it inside. Later part, when it's almost cooked. Okay, now I don't do anything about it yet. I put a bit of sugar first with the vegetable. Teaspoon. Smattering of sugar. It's more than enough. 2 teaspoons. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. It's very hot. Now I want to let it simmer. I put lukewarm water straight from the flask. Okay? How much to put? You just go round the wok. Go round twice. So that there's ample water, enough water to cover the vegetable. And let it simmer so that the meat, the juices from the meat can get infused into the vegetable. Now we cover it, okay? Okay, cover it. Okay. Now you see. Now I put this one over it. Spread it out. I spread the hoon out. Spread it out, otherwise it'll be in clumps. And then I put some pepper, a dash of pepper. Gives you the in the food. Okay, it's done, ready. Dish it out now. This is my stir-fried round cabbage with minced meat and carrots. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cooking and Food. And please click on to the notification button. Thank you for watching. More food videos to come.